Did you know your body never truly rests, even when you're asleep? Right now, inside you, millions of processes are happening to keep you alive. Your brain stays active all night. While you sleep, it organizes memories, processes information, and even solves problems. That's why sometimes you wake up with no ideas or clarity. Your brain has been working behind the scenes. Your heart doesn't take a break either. It beats over 100,000 times a day, pumping blood and oxygen to every part of your body. Even in deep sleep, it adjusts its rhythm to keep everything balanced and stable. You don't have to think about breathing, it happens automatically. Your lungs continue to supply oxygen and remove carbon dioxide, keeping your cells alive and functioning. Here's something amazing. Your body repairs itself while you sleep. Muscles rebuild, tissues heal, and cells regenerate. Your immune system also strengthens, helping you fight off infections and stay healthy. Even after you eat, your digestive system keeps working for hours. It breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and sends energy throughout your body. So while you're resting, your body is working non-stop to keep you alive, healthy, and strong. The human body is not just powerful, it's incredible. Take care of it, because it's taking care of you every second.